For seniors over 60, nighttime nutrition is especially crucial for maintaining healthy muscles, heart health, bone density, and digestion in addition to fostering sound sleep. Over time, the meals we eat in the evening can have a significant impact on how we feel the following day and how well our bodies work. Natural changes occur in our bodies as we age. Seniors, in contrast to younger folks, frequently suffer from altered metabolism, disturbed sleep patterns, and a decrease in appetite. Because of these age-related changes, it is crucial to concentrate on foods that are not only simple to digest, but also high in vital nutrients and designed to assist particular aging-related health issues. Without the need for prescription drugs, a well-chosen evening snack or light meal can help control blood sugar levels, boost immunity, reduce inflammation, and even improve the quality of sleep. Including healthy foods in the nighttime routine will enhance the body's ability to mend and rejuvenate itself at night, giving you more energy and vigor during the day. In this video, we look at some of the best meals to eat at night that people over 60 should think about eating every day. Whether it's increasing calcium intake, relieving digestive discomfort, or naturally promoting more restful sleep through minerals that support hormonal balance, every food option has distinct health benefits. Before we continue, if you're enjoying this content, please like, comment, and share it with your friends or health groups on social media. Doing so helps spread helpful knowledge and supports the continued growth of our channel. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian for personalized dietary recommendations that suit your specific needs and medical history. One food that stands out is oatmeal. While it is often associated with breakfast, oatmeal can be just as beneficial for seniors when consumed at night. For those over 60, maintaining cardiovascular health is a top priority, and oatmeal supports this goal in several powerful ways. It is especially rich in beta-glucan, a type of soluble fiber that has been scientifically proven to help reduce cholesterol levels. This is particularly important since high cholesterol becomes a common concern with aging. The beta-glucan in oats works by binding to cholesterol molecules in the digestive system, thereby preventing them from being absorbed into the bloodstream. This natural process helps keep blood vessels clear and lowers the risk of heart disease. Apart from its cardiovascular advantages, oatmeal offers a consistent supply of slow-releasing carbs. Oatmeal provides a more progressive release of energy than refined carbs and sugary snacks, which raise blood sugar levels and lead to crashes later. For seniors who may have blood sugar swings, this is very important, especially if they are managing diabetes or prediabetes. Oatmeal's ability to maintain steady blood sugar levels can help avoid energy slumps at night, lower the chance of hypoglycemia, and promote restful sleep. Before going to bed, a bowl of oats can also help soothe the stomach and ease the digestive system. As we age, the digestive system often becomes more sensitive, and heavy or complex meals can cause bloating, discomfort, or indigestion. Oatmeal, being soft and easy to digest, is gentle on the gut while still providing lasting nourishment. Seniors can enhance the benefits of oatmeal by adding toppings like antioxidant-rich fruits, such as blueberries, strawberries, or sliced apples. These fruits contribute additional vitamins, fiber, and anti-inflammatory compounds. For those in need of a calcium boost, adding a splash of milk or a spoonful of plain yogurt can fortify the meal with bone-supporting nutrients without compromising its gentle nature. Another valuable nighttime food is cherries. Though often overlooked in meal planning, cherries, especially tart cherries, are one of the best natural sleep aids available. As we age, getting enough high-quality sleep becomes more difficult. Seniors often face challenges such as hormonal imbalances, pain, anxiety, or chronic conditions that interfere with sleep. Cherries offer a natural solution thanks to their high content of melatonin, a hormone produced by the brain that helps regulate the body's sleep-wake cycles. While melatonin supplements exist, obtaining melatonin through food can be more natural and sustainable. Eating cherries in the evening can help signal the body that it's time to wind down and prepare for rest. Tart cherry juice has been shown in studies to significantly raise melatonin levels and improve both the duration and quality of sleep. For seniors struggling with insomnia or waking up frequently during the night, incorporating cherries into the evening diet can be a gentle yet effective remedy. In addition to melatonin, cherries are loaded with antioxidants that protect the body from oxidative stress, a key contributor to aging and chronic disease. Tart cherries are particularly rich in anthocyanins, compounds known for their powerful anti-inflammatory effects. These help reduce joint pain, ease muscle soreness, and promote overall wellness, making cherries a dual-purpose food that supports both sleep and physical recovery. Cherries also contain essential vitamins and minerals such as vitamin C and potassium. Vitamin C is crucial for immune defense, especially in older adults whose immune systems may be weakened, while potassium plays a key role in managing blood pressure and maintaining heart rhythm. With their sweet taste and health-boosting qualities, cherries make an excellent choice as an evening snack or dessert component. Another great item for nocturnal replenishment is Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a small but powerful source of several vital nutrients for seniors who are worried about bone density, digestive health, or muscle maintenance. Bone density decreases with age, raising the risk of osteoporosis and fractures. Calcium, which is abundant in Greek yogurt, promotes bone health and counteracts age-related bone mass loss. When combined with vitamin D from other foods or supplements, a single serving can supply a significant amount of the daily calcium need. Beyond calcium, Greek yogurt is an excellent source of high-quality protein. Protein becomes increasingly important with age as it helps preserve muscle mass, supports tissue repair, and maintains strength and mobility. Many older adults don't consume enough protein, and Greek yogurt offers an easily digestible option even for those with mild digestive issues. Its protein content also promotes satiety, helping seniors feel satisfied longer and reducing the likelihood of late-night cravings that can interfere with sleep. Greek yogurt is also a natural source of probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that promote gut health. A healthy digestive system is vital for nutrient absorption, immune function, and overall comfort. Probiotics help balance the gut microbiome, reduce bloating, and alleviate constipation, all of which are common concerns among seniors. For those with lactose intolerance, Greek yogurt is often more digestible than regular yogurt due to the straining process, which removes much of the lactose. This makes it a great option for those with sensitivities who still want the benefits of dairy. Greek yogurt is versatile too. It can be eaten plain, topped with fruits or nuts, or even added to other evening meals for a boost of creaminess and nutrition. Almonds are another standout nighttime food, packed with nutrients that support aging bodies. They're far more than a simple snack. They're a rich source of heart-healthy fats, fiber, protein, and minerals. Almonds contain primarily monounsaturated fats, which are known to support cardiovascular health by lowering LDL cholesterol and increasing HDL cholesterol. This balance helps keep arteries clear and reduces the risk of heart disease, which remains a major concern for seniors. In addition to healthy fats, almonds provide magnesium, a mineral essential for muscle function, nerve relaxation, and blood sugar control. Magnesium is particularly beneficial at night because of its calming effect on the nervous system. A small serving of almonds before bed can help ease muscle cramps, reduce restlessness, and promote relaxation for better sleep. For those with blood sugar concerns, the fiber and fat in almonds help stabilize glucose levels, making them an ideal low glycemic snack. Almonds are also an excellent source of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that supports skin health, reduces inflammation, and protects cells from oxidative damage. As skin becomes thinner and drier with age, vitamin E can help maintain moisture and prevent common age-related skin concerns like wrinkles or irritation. Almonds can be eaten on their own, chopped into yogurt, or sprinkled over oatmeal, making them both convenient and nutritious. Cottage cheese may not be the most glamorous food, but its benefits for seniors are profound, particularly when consumed at night. It's rich in casein protein, a slow-digesting protein that releases amino acids into the bloodstream gradually. This extended release of nutrients makes cottage cheese an ideal food for nighttime recovery, providing the muscles with fuel for repair while we sleep. As people age, they naturally lose muscle mass, and cottage cheese can help combat this by supporting lean body maintenance and strength. In addition to protein, cottage cheese contains a range of essential nutrients, including calcium, vitamin B12, selenium, and phosphorus. These nutrients play key roles in bone health, nerve function, red blood cell production, and immune defense. Seniors often face challenges in absorbing vitamin B12 due to age-related digestive changes, and cottage cheese offers a natural source of this important vitamin. The food is also soft, easy to chew, and easy to digest, even for those with mild lactose intolerance. It can be sweetened with fruit or honey, or made savory with herbs or a drizzle of olive oil, depending on taste preferences. Kiwi, though small, delivers big health benefits, especially when consumed at night. Research has shown that eating kiwi before bed can improve sleep onset, duration, and quality. This is due in part to its serotonin content, a neurotransmitter involved in regulating sleep, mood, and digestion. By boosting serotonin levels naturally, kiwi supports melatonin production, helping the body ease into sleep more effectively. Kiwi is also rich in vitamin C, potassium, and vitamin K, nutrients that support immunity, heart health, and bone density. Its high fiber content and natural digestive enzymes, such as actinidin, make kiwi especially helpful for seniors dealing with constipation or sluggish digestion. Regular consumption can improve gut function, reduce bloating, and promote overall gastrointestinal health. Its low glycemic index makes it a smart choice for those managing diabetes or trying to maintain stable blood sugar levels. Its tart sweet flavor and ease of preparation make it a practical, appealing fruit to include in an evening meal or as a bedtime snack. Spinach is another food that offers targeted support for seniors when eaten in the evening, especially when steamed. It is rich in plant-based iron, magnesium, folate, and antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin. These nutrients support red blood cell production, brain health, and vision, while also promoting restful sleep and muscle relaxation. Steaming spinach reduces its oxalate content, which can interfere with mineral absorption and makes it easier to digest. Spinach also supports liver function, a critical part of the body's overnight detox process, and provides fiber that aids digestion. Making careful decisions is essential to aging gracefully, and one of the finest times to feed the body for repair and healing is at night. Simple, inexpensive, and simple to make are the items covered here: oatmeal, cherries, Greek yogurt, almonds, cottage cheese, kiwi, and spinach. Sleep, digestion, heart health, and general vigor can all be significantly enhanced by include even one or two of these meals in your nighttime routine. Before making major dietary changes, always get medical advice, especially if you are on medication or managing long-term health issues. For seniors looking to improve their health and get a better night's sleep, the advantages of midnight nourishment can be both immediate and long-lasting with consistent, attentive eating.